Let's see if she does it again. Look, Riley. Let Mommy pile up your peas for you. Let Mama pile them up. Look, let's pile them all up in a little pile. Let's see. She doesn't like them piled up. Watch. Here, let's pile them back up. Let's pile them back up. Do you not like them all piled up? Let's do it one more time. So let's pile them back up. You get mad at Mama? There you go. Look, we'll pile them back up. You don't like them all piled up?